Okay, my friends. Hopefully you can see me very well. This is something special. I just wanted to test things out here with this great background there. Kind of like it. It's just a picture, but um, now affiliate marketing is some. I hope you know what it is. Really hope you know what it is. Affiliate marketing is selling other people's products. That's all it is. Now, if you're selling insurance, you sell insurances of a company. You do not own the company. The insurance company owns the insurance. You just sell it to receive a commission from what you have sold. Okay. Now, selling, that is something special. That is something I've just started to investigate it and see what I can learn from it uh, to do these broadcasts. Now, affiliate marketing is a great thing to do. You know, there's you don't have to do support. You don't have to create products and all that stuff because that takes a lot of money, a lot of time, and you know this is quite the easiest way to start a business online. Now, just because it's easy, a lot of people are going for it and want to start this online business, but before you really start doing this, you really have to understand certain things. So uh, let me start with saying this phrase: systems work and people fail. Um, Systems that are proven to work. People have to learn to use those systems, but most of the people, like 96% of people who start this online business thingy, they're they're just gonna fail because they are set up to fail. They don't know, they don't have the know-how to set up a really strategic business. They don't have the understanding how this really works, how to um, know why these strategies work, and why if you don't have a strategy, why you're gonna be failing, why you're doomed to fail. So you really have to understand those things. Now, as you see in the background, learn how to go from 0 to 10K in sales. Okay, selling other people's products. Sorry for the dive there, but you can see it there. Okay, um, there's, you know, you don't have to buy anything, my friend. Really, you don't have to buy anything. But if you are serious about building a business, then I'm gonna offer you a free webinar. If that's okay with you, you really like that idea? It's free to watch. It's a 2 hour webinar. I'm gonna say it up front here, a 2 hour webinar where you're gonna learn um, some some the most important things you're gonna need for creating a sustainable online business and do this 10K per month in sales to make it work. Just go watch that free webinar, again free. Forget your credit card, don't bring it with you, put it in another room, give it to your wife, let her shop, whatever. Just go watch that free webinar. You'll be taking so much uh, knowledge with you just from the free content over there. So look in the description, or perhaps here on the video I'll put up a link. I don't know, but either way, there's gonna be a link in the description, and be sure to go watch it. Now, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification button, and so whenever I make a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay? Thank you for watching, and hope to meet you soon. Who knows what life brings in the future. So, goodbye. Go watch that free webinar and enjoy. Be sure to take notes. Be sure to take notes.